don't have assistant now, so I cannot show you more about this camera, but I can show you me and what this camera does. And I think for actors it's one of the best thing to have this. This is an orange. I can show you an orange like really close to you. I can eat an orange, not now. This is a lemon. Show you the lemon. Just doing a test of colors and things to play around. Let's see. Let's try something. I can really get into this and play around and see your eyes. So you can see with the VR lenses what this camera is about. It's super interesting. I've seen a lot of videos with the really interesting things on this camera. I can even touch you, I think. Yeah, I can, like here. I can touch your face. You see? I can play around with your face. Here's your nose. Here are your eyes. Here are your ears. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Just playing around with this thing. It's super interesting. We should shoot a lot with this. It's super nice camera. Thank you.